Let's solve for x in this equation in mode 4. Solution. We have 3x is equivalent to 1 in mode 4. Now here, we want to find x, we have to divide both sides by the coefficient of the unknown 3. Now, if you should divide 1 by 3, we note that it is not exactly divisible. So, we have to change 1 to a number that is equivalent to 1 in mode 4 and can also be divisible by 3. So, how do we do that? By adding the mode. When we add 4 to this, 4 plus 1, we have 5. And 5 is still not yet divisible by 3. We add 4 again, and that gives us 9. And 9 is divisible by 3. So that is, we can say 3x equals 9 in mode 4. And why? Because 9 equals 1 plus 4 plus 4. And if you should try converting 9 to a number in mode 4, by dividing it by 4, you have 2 remainder 1, which gives us back our value. So it's still the same thing. But we just want to make sure that it is something that we can divide this coefficient by. So now we can divide both sides by the coefficient. That is, we divide both sides by 3, divide the side by 3. So 3 goes in 3 here 1, 3 goes here 1. We are left with x equals 3 goes in 3 here 1, 3 goes in 9, 3. So we have 3 in mode 4. And that's how to solve for this kind of equation in the mode specified. Thank you.